Just look up 3-bar reversal pattern online and you can find ways to trade this manually without having the indicator. I think having the indicator is extremely helpful and absolutely worth it. But if you want to learn more about how it's making its calculations, just do some research on 3-bar reversal pattern on the internet and you can learn all about it. And then I saw that Ninja had an indicator that will let you know when there's a 3-bar reversal pattern. So I decided to check it out, and so far the results have been amazing, especially when coupled with a moving average confirmation. The trio reversal indicator from Ninja was doing some back testing on a strategy that I made using the trio signals and a simple moving average. So now I'm running it in market replay with the strategy attached just to make sure it's actually firing the trades like it's supposed to. This strategy is only running from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. trading just the NQ 1 minute, trading just one contract. So I'm just going to make sure this is actually firing off and giving me accurate results. So here's the open. We're in the 9:30. We're going to wait. The conditions I have for the strategy, it's got to be a trio signal, and if it's a bearish trio signal, it has to be below the 20 SMA, and if it's a bullish trio signal, it's got to be above. The price has to be above the 20 SMA. So that trio closed below the 20 SMA, so it did trigger a short. And then we got one in the opposite direction. The price was above the 20 SMA, so it went long. Got a little bit of profit on that last one, not as much as we could have, but still had some profit when this switched over. So I just wanted to note that our strategy did not take this last trio signal to the downside because price was above the 20 SMA. So the strategy is firing just exactly as it should. Got one more long, price was above the 20 when the trio triggered. It's probably going to be the last one. It's almost 10:30. Yep, last one. So up over 1,200 bucks after commissions for February 14th. Let's try the next day. Here's February 15th. Market has not opened yet. Market's open. So these trio signals were before the market opened. This third one was accurate. Prices below the 20, fired off, was a winner. That one was below the 20, so it got triggered. I've got a 1-to-1 ratio, a 120 tick stop and a 120 tick take profit, aka 30 points and 30 points on the NQ. 4 ticks for every point. And if that risk was too big for you to trade a standard NQ contract, you could also just trade a micro NASDAQ or a few micro NASDAQ contracts. So we're after 10:30, 2 trades, 2 winners, almost $1,200 after the commissions. So this thing's firing accurately. So I've got the trio reversal indicator on here, and I've also got the Ninja moving average crossover indicator, which is just painting the 20 SMA and a bar color if it's below or above the 20 SMA. The strategy I have attached is one I created. That's what's auto trading everything. You can see I have my 120 tick target, my 120 tick stop. So now that we know it's firing accurately, I can go to my strategy analyzer, have more confidence in the backtest results. I'm going to be testing the NQ 1 minute. Just going to test the last 4 weeks of trading, 20 days of trading, January 15 to February 16, including the commission, 120 tick target, 120 tick stop. $11,000 after the $260 commission. Max drawdown of $1,300. 66% win rate. Took 48 trades, around 2 trades a day. Here's the overall chart for the past 4 weeks. A pretty decent steady slope up. I can look back at the 14th and the 15th, 1268, 1189. It's pretty much the exact same results I just got testing it in Market Replay, so that gives me confidence to trust that the rest of these results are also accurate. Really only 2 major losing days. Most of the other days were break even or in profit. I also created a strategy with the exact same parameters, except this one will trade 24/7, trades all day, all night. And I like to create strategies that run 24/7 just to see the best time frames to trade. I'll show you how I do this. So I got all the same parameters, include commission here. So even trading 24/7, we're only getting $4,000 more dollars. The drawdown went way up. Maybe I can try raising this target up a little bit. So if we have a 200 tick target, now we're getting up there, 18 grand. Let's just leave it at 120, 120, 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So under the display, I want to go to analysis. This is the daily period, so we can see day by day how much this strategy made. But I want to go to half hour of the day. So now we can see what times of day this is most profitable. So overall, at these half hours of the day, it's the least amount profitable. We could create our strategy to just trade during the most profitable times, which looks like about 9:30 to noon. So instead of having my 1 hour open strategy, seems like it might be a good idea to add an extra 60 or 90 minutes to that, have it trade a little bit longer. So this is the trio reversal indicator from Ninja. I've left all the settings exactly the same. I didn't change anything. And then I also have the moving average crossover, which is painting this magenta dashed line, and it's painting the candles red or green. The trio reversal will print these signals, and it also prints this pink bar color, or whatever color you want to make it. It's a great indicator to have in your arsenal. If you want to grab it at absolutely the best price possible, use code MONKEYMAN when you go to checkout. Even if they're having a crazy huge sale, using the code MONKEYMAN will give you an additional percentage off, and it will get you the best price always. If you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. Hope you got some good ideas. Best of luck in your trading.